Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. Today we're going to go over what supplies you need when you're starting vinyl projects with your Cricut. I am referencing my notes that you can get a copy of if you click on the link in the description. So I will be glancing down just to make sure I get things in a logical order and I include everything. So if you're doing vinyl projects, there is heat transfer vinyl and adhesive vinyl. This one we're going to talk about adhesive vinyl, which comes in permanent and removable. Permanent vinyl doesn't have to be permanent. That's the kind that you would put on water bottles, car windows, things like that, that you really want it to stay until you're ready to take it off. Removable vinyl is for things like wall decor and other more temporary things. After you've cut the vinyl, you need a way to move it to the surface that you're doing, the blank that you're using. You want transfer tape. A lot of people also use contact paper. You'll need a weeding tool to take out the pieces of vinyl that you don't want on your design. You will need either a scraper or a squeegee to apply the pressure to have your design adhere to your surface. Tweezers are really helpful for when you need to kind of reposition things or pull out tiny sections. You'll also need something to put your design on. So if you're using permanent vinyl, that could be, like I said, a water bottle, a car window, decorating your machine, anything like that. If you're using removable, that's generally for like wall decor. One of the things that you might want later, but you don't need right away, is a paper cutter like the one pictured that'll help you get clean lines if you are cutting a full sheet and previously you hadn't cut it totally straight. Most of the time I do just cut mine with scissors, which you will need, but when you're trying to really squeeze in a full 12 by 12 sheet, the paper cutter is really nice to make sure you get your lines clean. You'll also get to the point where you will need more mats. Generally, I use the green standard grip mats for adhesive vinyl. Sometimes I will use like a brand new blue light grip mat because it's super sticky then and it'll hold the vinyl well enough. When you're cutting adhesive vinyl, you'll use the fine point blade that comes with your machine when you purchase it, so you don't need to purchase any additional blades at this time. Go ahead and click on the link for the next video that tells you what you need if you're doing heat transfer vinyl. Until next time, bye.